The canning jar has to be hot because the green beans are very hot. If we pour those boiling green beans on a cold jar, it's going to break. We have to be careful when we're doing this kind of work. Okay, so we don't want to get burned, and jars that break with boiling water are not good news. You don't want to boil the green beans too long because they will lose firmness. You want to pack them. You want to get a lot of them inside your jar, as much as you can. And then you fill with extra water so it's completely full. Then you close the lid, not too tight. And you get it in the pressure cooker.